Welcome back, Warlords, to another episode of Codename Ruby. In this episode, it's actually my team's first time traveling out together as a whole, and we come to this field and we have a great time. The field was great, the refs was great, the atmosphere was awesome. Yo, shout out to Legacy Adventure Park. Yo, this field is great. So I really hope you guys stick around, watch the episode all the way to the end, because I promise you this one is a
What up, big guy? Yeah, what's up? The van.
Making the winner. Oh, Ruby!
What's up?
Oh shit, you're here!
So they haven't came up here yet. See them right there? The ones directly in front of us?
This is one of the guys that did one of my tournaments for SBTV.
Yeah, so my mans, give us the layout. I got my team here and we're trying to get some directions, my man. So what we doing?
So you guys are gonna head out the next game.
Alright.
So we're actually gonna be doing hill defense next one.
Alright.
And I'm probably gonna have you and a couple guys defend the hill.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Do we got chrono?
Yeah, I got a chrono. You guys.
Alright, let's get that going. What? Hold on, it's not shooting. Like 1 second. There we go.
There we go. Rifleman.
right. So after passing Chrono, we link up with some local players to get our bearings on the field, because this is our first time on this field and we don't know the layout at all. We literally just got off the road, so this is our first game, but it's like the second half for these players. But we came prepared and we're ready for a fight. So stick around, because I hope you enjoy this episode. Let's get right into it.
That's okay. Stay here, Dustin. I'm pushing further left. Yeah. I see him. I can see it. Can we go downhill?
If you want, but
D-Pan!
Following the advice of some local players, I decided to place deep in and land on top of the hill, as me and Ross decide to attack or move forward to the bottom of the hill, kind of sort of eliminating any attackers that might try to attack our left flank.
You see him, White Hood?
yeah, no, I do.
Alright, keep your eye on him. He's down. But we're gonna go down that way and get people. When you see us down, you'll know where they're at, alright? Alright, bro. Come on.
Put this bitch up so we can drag. How's it going?
Alright, we'll be your engines in front. Just keep looking forward. We got you.
Alright, new game. In this game mode is TDM on their map Carnage, and this is like a full game, both sides. The only rules are you got 3 lives, and there's like murder holes and all that, which is crazy for my team. We never allowed to play murder holes or anything like that at our local field, so that was crazy. But I hope you guys enjoy this gameplay. Let's get right into it.
Good right side, go, go. Alright, how many teams we got? What's up, guys?
Looks like all of us. Looks like all of us. How we looking?
Everybody but Spoon's coming. You want to move back forward? Yeah, I think it's best to go 3 lines. Hey, I think there's one on that right side. I can't see you now. I can't see you.
We're gonna go back to our right side.
Ready?
Yep. You got hit?
Yeah.
What?
Right there, man.
I got one life
Man,
left.
after that kill, Big Brother Ali killed me from across the map. So I only got 1 life left and only 1 minute left in the game. Let's get to work.
What's up? What up, big guy?
You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Where we going?
The van. There's one at that van. Get over.
Got it. You want to give up or you stay?
Give me a sec. I want to. And we can hit murder holes too. Remember that.
Push up oil.
All right. Ready?
Ready.
I'm right here on you.
I'm above you.
Who's right here with you?
Take your high.
My gun's jammed.
Who's right here with
Take
you?
your high.
My gun's jammed.
Oh, we'll get back. High.
I'm right here with you.
Oh, Ruby, that's right top, yeah. Yeah, good man, 1 kill.
2 lives left.
What the hell?
That's okay. Let's go. You can move.
Do that for him? Thank you.
I'm right here with you. I'm right here with you.
Don't cost shit.
It's cool. It's cool. It's right now.
You see on the right of the van?
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, he's down.
There's another one on the behind it. Roger, hold.
Keep looking.
Hit.
Fuck. I know where he's at. I see you. You good? Huh? Roger.
One life left.
Let's go. Push up. Let's go.
Right on you.
Let's go. There's one in the back house.
Words can't describe how much I actually enjoy this field. The competition was fierce. The plays were insane. Yo, I really like this field, and this is actually where the battle kind of sort of gets intense. Now, normally I wouldn't take this shot, but this field allows like murder holes and whatnot. So I see this player's feet, and I start shooting them. But you comment below if you think that I got him. It looks like I did, but I don't know. You tell me. And it's all over, just like that. And I just want to say thanks again for watching the episode all the way to the end. You guys are awesome. So if you like the content, please make sure you smack the like button and the bell icon to stay notified when we make new episodes just like this, because part 2 is coming out very soon. Thanks again, family. See you on the field.